Hey guys, how are you today? And welcome sa aking mini vlog. And for today's video is uwi tayo ng bundok. At syempre, bago tayo uwi guys, sabay natin yung mga order natin na to boxes na Kuya Bano Gold.
In the Sunday sunshine. Come on. All right. Yes, we're having too much fun, living up the good times. We're making memories in the Sunday sunshine. Got all the right vibes, driving up the coastline. Making memories in the Sunday sunshine. It's time to party, running so fast. No more worries.
Thank you. Na may manok ma'am nakuan?
After ko guys na-receive ang bayad, bumili ako ng 2 kilo ng isda at 1 kilo ng manok pang ulam sa bundok. At dali ako guys umuwi kasi parang lalakas po yung ulan. And then guys, paakyat na tayo ng bundok. And hanggang dito lang po ang aking video. See you sa aking next vlog, Amping Tangtanan.